Hi beautiful angels, this is Mystic C from Magic Vans Tarot and this is your most requested pick a card reading. What is the message from your person? What's happening currently in their life? We also have the love messages that you all requested. So friends, make sure to subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, click the bell icon so you never miss a reading, and join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com friends. And this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, this is a timeless reading friends, so whenever you come across this reading, it will help you out in some way friends. So yeah, make sure to subscribe, like and share. So let's begin friends. Think of your person, take a deep breath and choose option number 1, this beautiful magenta leaf. Option number 2, the silver leaf. Option number 3, the golden leaf. Relax, take a deep breath, choose option 1, option 2, option 3. I will leave the timestamps friends in the comment section so you can directly skip there and go to the number that you have chosen. You can also pause the video to if you need more time to choose the pile, you can pause the video. Let's see pile number 1. What's happening with your person? Let's see that. If you chose option number this 1, this magenta leaf, let's see. So this is your advice. I'll be pulling more cards. Let's see. Ooh, 7 of swords. This person has ghosted you, friends. This person has lied to you. This person has cheated on you. I think this person is Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Or our viewers could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Or communications. Actually, I feel something related to communications was off in this connection, or they were not honest, or they were not expressive enough in this connection, or even right now you are in no contact. I do feel this person is watching you. I think this is someone from your past that you have no contact with right now. They may have ghosted you, or you have, blocked them. I feel they are watching you. They are keeping an eye on you from far. Okay, the Page of Pentacles, the Knight of Pentacles. I do feel this person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Or you could be, or you both could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I feel this connection is moving very, very slowly, or it is stuck. It is like either moving. I think one of the reasons you left this person or the problems came because of they were not expressing things, they were hiding things, or they were dishonest. Also because there was very, very slow pace, almost to the extent that this connection is not even happening. It's not there. If you are in contact with this person, I think things are moving very, very slowly and you must be fed up about it. The 9 of Rods. I do feel, friends, that this person has been defensive in the past, very, very defensive to come towards you and talk with you or to show their love. They acted very defensive. Even right now, if with this person, I think they are not, they have some walls up. They are not willing to talk with you or take a step towards you. I think this is the current or the recent past energy. But there is the Wheel of Fortune here. So yeah, interesting that this person, definitely a change is coming. I do feel if you are in no contact, something has changed this person, or something is changing or shifting in this person right now. I think they had been a slightly immature. I also feel not only they are immature, I felt like they had some major communication issues, or they were like busy with work, they didn't give you the time, they were defensive, they were not opening their heart, they have this shield on their heart. I feel this person is crying currently, recently, because they are missing you. They keep watching your social media, spying on you. I do feel they are waiting for a positive turn in this situation, or some awakening or shift is going in this connection right now. Ace of Cups, yes. This person wants a reunion with you, you know. They are falling in love with you. This person has a lot of emotional energy, a lot of emotions for you, you know. This person loves you a lot, but I think they were not ready, you know, when you were with them or in the past. They were not ready for love. And also, I feel they were very defensive. Also, they were very stuck, very, very slow. So, you might have left them, but right now they want to change things. Right now, they want things to quicken. If you are in contact, they want things to be quick, to be swift. Also, they want to give you this offer of love, express their love, their emotions. This person is crying. Yeah, I see them crying. I see them looking at a picture and they keep crying. You know, they have tears falling down. The Hierophant. I think this person has been a little, you know, maybe you are both know each other from, you know, school, colleges, teachers. Maybe you are both teachers, or maybe there is an office vibe to this connection, like you are senior, junior. I don't know why this person has been, you know, they they had been very stuck in, they were stuck and just refusing to change themselves, which cost them this relationship to go, you know, crazy. I feel like this cost this relationship a lot of pain. I feel right now they want to do the right things to you. They want to bring this relationship into balance. They want to balance things out. They want to share their love. They want to move things ahead with you. They also want to communicate with you, which was completely absent, I feel, in the past or in recently, even now. But now I think they are shifting. They want to talk with you. They want to move towards you. They want to be this person who initiates contact. I think this person has a lot to say to you because they have not been talking. So they could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Innocence, yeah. I think this person has finally connected to their heart. They were not connected to their heart, you know, they were not at all. I think this person was focused on money, on their ego. Earlier, they had some issues going on. I feel this person also had some commitment issues in the past, but now they are changing. And they feel very, you know, their heart feels very innocent towards you. A lot, innocent love, you know, like childlike love. What's happening with this person? Courage, yeah. They want to take a step towards you and they are scared. They are scared as hell. I do feel there is an age gap also in this connection. So some of you are elder, or maybe this person, you know, maybe there's an age gap and there is also a distance here. So I feel like they had been weak before. So even now they are a little scared, but they still want to take a move towards you, still want to initiate this contact and offer this love towards you. They have a lot to say because they have been really not telling how things are within themselves, tuning in. This person is meditating. I feel either this is a spiritual connection or you both are spiritual. Um, I also feel this is a past life connection for both of you. Because you know, somehow this is a very spiritual connection. You are a spiritual mentor or a guide or a torch for this person. Somehow you are pulling them out of all this darkness, and it feels interesting and it also feels very necessary at this point of time. So I do feel that this person keeps, you know, maybe they have never meditated, but now either you meditate and that is what they really appreciate. I think you are helping this person, whether you know this or not. At least your soul is helping this person, this relationship. And Fool, they want to take a step towards you. They want to take a leap of faith towards you. They don't know how to do it, but they want to. They want to take a leap of faith towards you. And they are like, literally, they want to throw their cautions to the wind and make a move towards you, you know. How do they feel about our viewers? Ooh, in a voice, the high priestess, they find you very attractive, very, very attractive. Also, this person feels that you are very connected to them, you know. You are like this, you have certain power over them. They have never experienced it before. You know, like maybe you are into tarot, spirituality, magic, wisdom, or you are very connected, and this person is like, wow, how can he or she know me so well? They have a huge respect for you. They have never seen someone like you. Never. And, you know, the way you understand them, they are shocked. Literally shocked. I think that was one of the reasons this person ran away or kept their distance from you. In Queen of Cups, they see that you are very, very loving, you are very nurturing, you love them unconditionally. You have been very kind to this person. They really appreciate that. Look at the water in this card. Look at it, dolphins, twin flames, the moon's energy. I also feel you both could be artists. You both could be artists, or you both could be, music is very important in this connection somewhere or the other. Like emotionally, you connect with them through music, or they connect with you through music. They find you very, very kind. You have been very understanding to this person. No one has ever understood them like you did. Ooh, abundance, the King of Pentacles. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. They also see that you are quite well to do in your life. You know, you have all, you are very content. You are happy wherever you are in life. You know, you have enough money. Maybe you don't have it, but they feel like you are doing great in your life, and they appreciate that. They also see that somewhere, because they are the knight and you are the king. So they see that, you know, you are a perfect match to them, because king and queen. So they see that you are both perfect for each other, but they also see that maybe financially you both are not at the same level. You are more ahead of them. So somewhere they feel like they need to mature. Also, not just financially, but also emotionally. Maturity levels. They feel like you are very balanced, and they need to work on it. Your male and female energies are very balanced. They need to work on it. I also feel this is a star seed, this person or you. So they are quite fantasized. They this person is like, I don't know who this person is. Wow, I never thought I would meet such a person. You know, I think they were praying for it. They never thought it's gonna come true, and it did. Politics number 7. They have not been telling you the truth, friends. This person loves you and they hide it. They want you, they hide it. They are dying to talk to you, they are hiding it. They are crying for you, they still hide it. Oh God. And I think someone played bad in this connection, like a third party, maybe family, friends. I also feel this person's resistance was quite a lot at that point of time. See, 5 of Wands. I think you had a lot of arguments with this person also. So they sometimes feels that you're very powerful. You are almost to the point of dominating, and they feel scared, or they are dominating and you feel scared. Ooh. Let's see. Anything else? Let's see, what is their intention towards you. Let's see that. What's this person's intention towards our viewers? Okay. That's interesting. Angel of Balance. They want to balance things out with you, as I told you. They are dying to balance things out. They know they have made it a mess. Now they need to fix it. Victory. They are looking for a victory in this connection, not just emotionally, but also spiritually. And I also feel that you are a guiding light to this person. So they are very grateful for that. You know, like if you have been guiding this person, or your soul has been guiding this person, I would tell you that they want to thank you. That yes, your efforts have not gone to waste. Somewhere you feel like all that effort and all the love you put on this person, it's down in the drain. But they want to tell you it's not. It's a victory for them and you. Walking away. I do feel they feel like, you have walked away from them, or they are still not sure whether to how to come back because they have walked away in the past from you, or you both walked away, so they are not sure what to do about this past, how to fix it. Clarify the walking away journey. See, they want to come towards you, they want to fix the past, but they are not sure right now how they can fix it. Because I feel the past has been terrible. I feel number 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 1 and 2 are important for you. So this person is a little confused. They want to move towards you, but they don't know how to because the past is still lingering. So, what is their future? What's their future possible move towards our viewers? Ooh, the garden and the gate. I do feel this person is expecting, probably they'll be waiting and watching, waiting for the right time to make a move towards you. They are spying your social media. I do feel they are trying to, meet you serendipitously. In the I keep getting that movie also, Serendipity, for you and them. I do feel you both are twin flames. So, they are feeling that maybe somewhere on along the way on the road, they might, or you might bump into them, and they can pretend like, hey, how are you? We just met out of the blue. I wasn't trying to cross your path, it just happened. So they are trying to manifest you back in a very serendipitous way. The goddess of the moon. I do feel the emotions are going to go even deeper and intense from now. The love they feel for you is going to go sky high. So get ready, friends. Some amazing romantic moments. If not in 3D, then definitely in 5D are yours. And the action. Oh my god. See, we asked for what is their possible future move towards you, and they want to take action towards you. Interesting. They want to appreciate you. I think you gave and gave to this person and they just never returned it back. So now they want to tell you how much they appreciate your efforts, your love, your unconditional support. Let's see some advice for you for this connection. So let's see some advice for you for this connection. Let's see what's happening, and then we are going to, wow, that was interesting. Then we are going to see the romance angels messages for you. Let's see the advice. Wow, a time for healing. Yeah, some things are healing in this connection, and I also feel some not just healing, some things are changing in this connection, like a karmic shift is happening, or awakening is happening in this connection for you and your person. I also feel that the answers you need are coming. Full moon in Gemini. I feel some of you are getting very, very frustrated with this connection, like you don't know what you have to do. It is intense, it is love, there is a lot of love, there is a lot of attraction, but it is still stuck. So the answers, the solutions you need, the clarity you need is coming. It is coming. Hold on, don't give up, maybe, if that's what is your choice. Let's see your romance angels message, and then we're gonna look into your love messages. Stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. This is beautiful. I think this is time to be staying optimistic. Love yourself and try to forgive this person for the past, because I do feel they love you and they are planning for a major comeback in your life. So it is time to forgive the past and heal yourself, probably, so that the return can be quicker. Let's see what is the message, what this person wants to say to our viewers. Okay. Oh no, I dropped it. Oh no, again. I have no idea why they jump off the table. Angels, please keep them on the table, please. Okay, let's pick those ones up. So many cards came out for you. Let's see. I feel the connection is fading. Maybe it is you, or you both are feeling this right now because of the no contact, that things are not going well, the connection is not so strong. I remember everything, every detail, every date we had. They haven't forgotten you. Family and karmic ties, definitely there are some issues between you and this person. I do feel family, tradition, age difference, and their own resistance just caused a lot of problem. I feel the pain, lots of it. Yeah, this person is in pain. They are fighting some challenges, some burdens. They are lifting some heavy burdens. I don't think so you are aware of it. How could you do this to me? If you walked away from this person, they are still, they can't, or if you told, I think you told this person something about their future, like, you have to be more honest in love or all those things. I think they were a little shocked because they see you as very unconditionally loving. They were not expecting you can be hard on them or tough on them. I think you showed this person what tough love is. Your love shook me. How can you love me so much? Oh my god, they have a lot of questions. Like, how can you love me? How can you hate me? It's like a love hate relationship. I love you, like I hate you. My best was not enough for you. Wow, that's interesting. I'm ignoring you. See, they are pretending to ignore you, although they are watching and spying on you. I feel anxious and depressed. Maybe they are going through anxiety, depression, or some other burdens or issues in their life. There is so much I never said to you. Yeah, I told you, friends. They once they come back. Oh my God, I don't I don't see that you will stop talking because they have a lot to share with you. We will be together in this lifetime. I know you deserve better than me. Oh, that's so sweet. Mirror work, you mirror me back, and it scared me. Our connection is growing in 5D. Look at that. See? That's a confirmation. I was telling you exactly the same thing. Maybe they need a little more time in the 3D, but in the 5D, the union is sealed, the love is there. So that's it for now. Subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, friends, like and share. And from now on, friends, there is a fabulous contest. So subscribe our channel and leave a comment. And every month, I will be announcing a winner by random name selector from the comments. So not just from the comments, from those who subscribe. So make sure to subscribe and comment on the channel and join us on Instagram. And this is my way to give back to all of you, because since long you all have wanted some free readings, and I had a very busy year, so this is my way of giving back to you. And so subscribe our channel, make sure to comment on every video, and at the end of every month I will tell the more details in the upcoming videos or on the community forum. But make sure to subscribe, like and comment, and one winner every month will be selected for a free reading. So that's it for now. This is Mystic C saying bye. So chose option number 2. Let us see what's happening with your person, how they feel about you, what's their message for you. I'll also be pulling these love messages. And friends, from now on, from November, there is a contest going on the channel, and so make sure to subscribe Magic Wens Tarot. And also, friends, make sure to comment, leave a comment and subscribe our channel, because at the end of every month, one winner will be selected randomly out of all those who subscribe and comment. And it is my way of giving back to you a free reading, or whatever I can, because many of you requested free readings and I have not been able to do them in the past. So it's now time to do it. So let's do it, friends. Let's enjoy. So let's see your cards first, then I'm going to pull more. Oh, Page of Rods. This person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, or you are Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. 10. Let's see what else are your cards. Ooh, 10 of Swords. Interesting. I feel there has been a major ending in this connection, or something is very problematic in this connection right now, like a burden. Something is very heavy is weighing on this connection. Even if you are in touch with this person, it feels like something, your person is burdened at the moment. They are feeling very troubled. They are feeling a lot of troubles, a lot of burdens in their life. They are also, I feel, calling out to you, but somehow they feel they can't reach to you, or they are not able to find a way to talk to you or reach to you. I feel that this person is going through a lot right now, and I feel the relationship also went through a lot of pain, a lot of burdens, a lot of endings, or some painful situation. Wow, I feel that currently there is something stuck in this relationship, like nothing is moving forward. You both may be in no contact, or Even if you are in contact, things are stuck at one situation, like some area, like this ending, you just can't get out of it, or something happened in the past but both of you can't let go of it, or this person is not taking any move towards you or any action because they have so many burdens in their lives, so this person is stuck. It is like this person dig their own grave. I don't know why, but I feel it feels like that. And then they were like, what happened? Whew. I also feel, friends, your person could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or you could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or Aries, Leo, Sag. Ten of Cups, this person wants a family with you. They want to marry you. I do feel marriage was an issue. Commitment became a problem in this connection. Like you wanted commitment, they were not giving it to you, or they had some other issues going on at that point of time. So it became a problem, and now the situation is hanging. I also feel that family might have caused a lot of problems in this connection. Like your person feels burdened because of their family, or because they can't meet your expectations about commitment because of their family. So a lot is happening here. I also feel that they see you as the ultimate future husband or wife. They see a future with you, they keep dreaming about it, but this person is also a little scared about you right now, scared of you right now, because I think you are a little mad or upset with this person. You are a little angry with this person. The Two of Rods, oh my god. I think you want this person to be mature. In the past, they were not very mature, or they were not behaving as they needed to. So you are like, I think this person has realized that they were very stupid or very immature in the past. They kind of created their own mess and now they are stuck. So they had some maturity or some clarity was not there in the past, but I think right now, currently, they are coming to that sense of maturity, that sense of clarity. Four of Wands. Wow, this person wants marriage with you. It could be your twin flame, it could be your ex husband or wife also. I also feel maybe there is a chance that you are married and this person regrets losing out on you. They completely regrets it. Or maybe they are married, or they are in some other connection which they are refusing to move out of, even though there is a lot of pain in that connection. They are just not happy, but they refuse to move out of it right now. But I do feel they are coming out of it. I mean, like they are learning something, getting more mature, understanding something. I also feel you are very angry with this person. You are very angry. They have broken a promise. They have broken a promise, or they went ahead and married someone else, or they are not, or they kept you stuck right now, or you both are married, but you both are like stuck with each other. So you are unhappy. You're not happy with this person. Two of Cups, they want this happiness with you. They want to shower you with love right now. This person feels like what they had with you right now is a mature connection. If this is a new connection, they want to make it better, they want to progress it, they want to take it to the next step. If they are not talking much to you, they want to take a move towards you, talk with you, and move things up to partnership, and then to a future marriage possibly, or move in together. But if this person is married or in some other commitment, or maybe it is work issues that or family issues causing them to stay away from you, they have finally realized that what they had with you was way amazing and balanced and pure and loving than what they have with the other person. It's just terrible for this person, and they feel very guilty, they feel regret, they feel remorse, they feel pain, they feel what they did. They pound their own feet with the hammer, and they know that they chose someone else and they regret it. And they are not happy with their choice right now. They feel stuck there. They feel very stuck. Let's see how this person feels about our viewers. What's happening with this person currently, angels? Let's see that first. Understanding, the Page of Cups. Yeah, I do feel there's a lack of understanding. Right now you are angry, and obviously you have every right to be angry with this person. If they, even if they are keeping you stuck, you are right in getting angry. Also, I feel this person was slightly immature. They made um, uh, someone emotionally blackmailed them. It's not the good word to use, but I think they were too emotional at that point of time, or they were too emotionally weak at that point of time. They heard or listened with their family, they went with it, or they wanted work, they went for it. They wanted their career abroad, they went for it, and in that it they missed you, and they now realize it. They are coming to a realization which was earlier missing from them. The We Are the World, 10 of Pentacles. See, 10 of Cups, 10 of Swords, again a 10. This person just knows they are, you and them are together and you are their world. But they made a stupid mistake. And they still want to have this, 10 of Pentacles. They want to respect you. They want to be officially, if they are single, they want to officially date you and officially meet their parents. And if they are married, they still want to come back and at least treat you right. They see that you are perfect. You are the home. How does this person feel about our viewers? Projection, 7 of Cups. I think somewhere you are angry with this person and they know why you are angry. Even some of you might be even hating this person, or maybe you just don't want to see them again. They understand that. I do feel there is a lot of mutual hurt and arguments or something, because you have a little projection. You both project on each other. So it is kind of become, it has become difficult for both, not difficult, but they understand why you are angry. They know that. They understand because they did messed up. They messed up big time. And even if they didn't messed up, they are not taking any action. They are keeping you like hanging in between, and they know that. What else? This is 9 of Pentacles, ripeness. I think this person feels very sexually attracted towards you. They find you very beautiful. They find you very attractive. They also find you very nurturing. They also find you very seductive. So this person is like, wow, they feel your beauty. They feel your love. They feel your affection. Clinging to the past, the 5 of Cups. They also feel that you are not yet ready to move on, or come back to them, or start again this relationship, or maybe make things better, because somewhere the past is still hanging in between you and this person like a block, because they messed it up, then it caused you hurt, then you hurted them, then they hurted you, and it's a repeating thing now. It has become, they know that for you it might be tough to forgive them. They understand that. How does this person feel about our viewers? Oh my god, that's a lot of card. I'm gonna pick the first one. Alone. I think they feel very lonely without you. And they also know somewhere they made you lonely by choosing another person. They made you alone. They know that. Now somehow they were not acting towards you right now, or in the past, or if they choose someone else, they know they made you lonely, and they are very, very sorry. And they are also lonely without you, because they are not happy in another connection, or whatever they are doing right now in their life. Wow, see, again the 2 of Cups is here. Look at that, 2 of Cups. And here is the 2 of Cups. They love you. They really, really love you. And they see you as this perfect person, They're a perfect match. Look at that. You are very compatible with this person. Like what they lack, you have. What you lack, they have. But sometimes, it became a problem to understand this thing, because it's a jigsaw, you had to learn. Only with time you learn and understand the patterns of or the gifts of a relationship. So it became like that. It is a very, very amazing connection, but it somehow right now you both are not understanding, or in the past also. They do want to be in a relationship with you. They see that again. How is this person feeling? What clarify the aloneness card, angels? Schizophrenia, Two of Swords, indecision. I think you might also have been unsure a little about them, or maybe you were also like, I think you were not willing. I think it's not true that you were not willing to be with them or willing to make a move towards them. It's just what they feel like. You were also stuck between the past and the present right now, and it's difficult for you to forgive them for the past, accept them back. What is their person's intention towards our viewers? What are their intentions? Oh my god, please can I have one card? Creativity, the Empress. They see you are the perfect partner for them. They see you are a goddess or a god. They see that, they want to have kids with you. They want to marry you. They want to learn from you. They want you to grow. They want to build a home with you. They want to build dreams together, a business together. They want to work things out with you. That's their intention. They want to give you the world. This world. They want to give you this world. What are this person's intentions towards our viewers? Moment to moment. Yeah, they want you to stay in the moment. They don't want you to stay stuck on the past. They want you to stay in the moment and flow with the flow and not take things so seriously, because it kind of makes the relationship, I know it is not fair for you, towards you, but that's their expectation, that you take it moment by moment and not think too much about the future or too much about the past, which I think is a little difficult, especially if this is an old connection, or if you want commitment and they are not committing, or if you want them to move out of a connection and they are not willing. Nothingness. I think they this person's another intention is that they don't want to take from you. They want to give to you, because they have taken a lot from you. So now they want to come and give to you, return to you, love you, support you, be there for you, because they are nothing without you, and they also feel that somewhere they left you alone. They are guilty for it. They made you alone. Maybe if they hadn't hurted you, you would have found better person. Maybe if they hadn't wasted your time, or you would have said yes to another person. They feel guilt. This is guilt, pure dark in its unadulterated form. It's guilt. They feel sorry. Let's see what else. The Dream, Six of Cups. They see you are a soulmate. They absolutely feel you are soulmates. You have been through lifetimes. They don't want to leave you. Deceit. Who? Number 25 might be important. I think this person is dying to tell you that I think this person shows off. They are very happy. They don't care. They don't want anything in life. But actually they are wearing a false mask. Actual reality is that they are missing you. They want things to move forward. They want your forgiveness. They want to support you. They want to have kids with you. So they are just a little, clarify the deceit, agents. Man holding a coin. I think they know that somewhere their work and ego is much more important to them sometimes, and they understand that. If they have made choices out of ego, they regret it. If they made choices out of money, for career, for family, tradition, they regret it. They felt cheated. They knew they had love, but they felt cheated because they choose something that right now is not going so well in their life. It's causing them a lot of burden. Oh, Archangel Ariel, they see you are very, very strong. They see you are an angel. They see you are very powerful. And they see that you have grown these wings right now you have grown these wings. And they are like, oh my God, what happened? What happened? Now they feel cheated. Like, wow, you are an angel, and look at them, they are just human. Not human, but like, not just human, but like, you have wings, you have and halo around your head. They don't. So, what is their future move towards our viewers? Okay, healer of the ages. I think this person wants to heal things in their life first and then make a move towards you, because I think the reason they are not with you right now, even after all this love, is because some burdens are in their life right now, so they need to fix it first. And even if they are going through health issues or someone in their life, they need to fix it first. Cornucopia 1111, look at that. They want to offer you the world. They want to give you love, they want to give you love, home, property, they want to work with you. They just want to shower you with love. Be that person. I want to be, it's that song. Everything I do it for you. That's how they wanna be. That whatever they do, it's for you. Then attachment. I think they are working on leaving the past attachments, or their attachment to money, career, or family traditions. They are working on it. They are trying to tell you they are working on it, but they haven't yet fully finished it. Any other future move from this person? Storm warning. I do feel if you are in contact, there may be a sudden conflict that may happen between you and this person, or there is also a chance that something may happen, a storm, not to say in their life, but something will happen that will clear and shift the energy in this connection. Let's clarify it. Just wait a second. Okay, sorry. I just needed my deck of cards. Sorry for that. Clarify the storm warning, angels. Wonders. Yeah, see, something is going to clear and get shifted in this connection. It is very necessary. So you may hear out of the blue from them, or something will happen in their life and they will be able to come towards you. Trust. Trust that things are working out for you. Look at that. It's a beautiful card. Trust that things are working out, and this could be your twin flame or someone you have a very deep connection with. So let's see your advice, then we'll see the romance angels. Luck is on your side. New moon in Sagittarius. So luck is with you, friends. You don't have to worry about it. And also there is this Cupid's kiss here. So I do feel some hot passionate moments are coming for you. Things are going to shift for you, and in the most positive and most amazing way. So let us see your romance angels message. True love. This is the romance of a lifetime. Don't give up. I would suggest, in fact, keep living your life. Keep enjoying. This is the true love of your lifetime. Whether or not you are not together or you are right now, this is the person for you. And let's see some messages from them. Pile number 2. What they want to say to our viewers. Okay. I need to be alone now, please. Oh, they want you to understand that they are working on leaving the past attachments to ego, finances, money, career, whatever it's the issue, they, or some third party, they are working on it. You trigger me and my past wounds. So they do have some past wounds which were triggered, or projections, we had that card, projections on each other. Divine timing is at work in this connection. Yes, there is a storm coming which will clear things out for you and this person and in their life. Luck is also on your side. Time apart has healed my childhood wounds. Very interesting. I can't tell you how I live without you every day. Oh, that's beautiful. I get so jealous when others like you or try to win you. Ooh. This person is jealous, so they love you. They are possessive. Blocked throat chakra. I think the reason they are not currently talking is not just blocked throat chakra. It is that they are still struggling with some burden in their life. They need to fix it first before they can make a move towards you. If I could say the truth, our love would have been intact. Yeah, I think this person wasn't confident enough. That's how the deceit card, that's how they confirm the deceit. If I could say the truth, our love would have been intact. If they would have fought for you or for this connection, or if they were honest with others, things would have been different. Maybe one day our paths will cross again. Your eyes, your love, your memories haunt me every day. I was weak and scared then, but I am more sure now. I look at your pictures and wonder what and why we parted ways. Oh, this is beautiful. They are head over. You have two cards, two of cups, twice. So you can understand how much they love you and miss you. I'm struggling with inner child issues now. I told you, friends, this person is struggling, even though they may be married, or they may be, you may feel like they are doing perfectly fine in their life, but I know they are struggling right now, and that's what they are trying to tell you. They love you, they care for you, and make sure to subscribe Magic Wins Tarot and leave a comment down below, and join us on Instagram. And friends, join our contest, subscribe, like, and share our channel, and you may win a free reading at the end of this month. So this is bye for now. For those who chose option number 3, this beautiful golden leaf, let us see what is happening with your person currently. What is their message for you? These are the special love messages from them. I'll also be pulling some extra cards. And make sure to subscribe Magic Wins Tarot, friends, and leave a comment down below, because we have started a competition to give back to all you beautiful, beautiful souls. You have been super, super kind and supportive and loving to me. So make sure to subscribe Magic Wins Tarot and leave a comment. And this will ensure that you win a free reading at the end of this month. One person random, by random name selector, I will select, or our team will select. So, get ready. Subscribe Magic Wins Tarot and make sure to comment, so you can have a chance to win a free reading at the end of this month. This is the festival season, Christmas and all the seasons are coming, festivals are coming. So this is my little way of giving for you. And make sure to subscribe, like, and let's begin the reading. And all of you wanted, many of you wanted some free readings, and I was not able to do them because of a very, very hectic schedule. My apologies, but I thought this might be a better way to give back to all of you. Queen of Cups. This person could be, your person could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or you could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Who, the Death card. I feel there has been an ending in this connection. You both are not talking with each other, or you both are not in contact with each other. I also feel that there is a longing here, longing for each other, longing to be, your person is missing you. They are longing for you. They are looking at your pictures, or they are looking at something, some past memory with you. 8 of Swords. I feel this person is currently stuck. They feel like they can't move out of a situation, or their mind, or their stuck patterns, or they feel really stuck, or if they ended the connection, they don't know how to come back towards you. This person is feeling right now very stuck. Something may have ended in their life, probably a work situation, or also you might be in no contact or in a separation with this person. The King of Pentacles, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, so Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. We have double Scorpio energy here. Death is also Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So this person, I feel, they are caught between their heart and their mind. They want to do things from their heart, but their mind says, no, 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 come on, don't go that way. That's risky. So they're caught. They're very much caught. 3 of Pentacles. They want to work things out with you. They want to sit and talk with you. They want to deal things, they want to cooperate with you, work things out with you. 8 of Cups. Yeah, I do feel that maybe this person walked away from you, or you walked away from this person, but they keep thinking about it, this ending that happened. They feel, they are stuck on the way things ended. I think it was very painful. I think it was very unfair to both of you, the way things ended or somehow happened. They did. I feel they keep thinking, about it, how things ended, what happened. I feel you both are hurting right now. This person is also crying. because they hurt you, because things are not well, things are in separation, there is not enough contact right now, there is an ending. And I see you are also crying. They want to cooperate with you. Three of Rods. They want to take things forward to now. They want to make a move towards you, take things forward. They just don't. I also feel that maybe our viewers have recently had a heartache, your heart broken recently, and you are not ready for a relationship. But this may be a new person or a recent connection or someone from your friend zone person who is trying to talk to you. So they are your crush, they are trying to talk to you, but they know you had been through a terrible heartbreak. So they are a little confused that are you ready for their love or for this move. So they are thinking a lot. It could be also for a new person, or it could be someone you have ended things with. I feel you and them work together, or you have at some point of time worked with this person. Two of Swords, indecisions, lot of confusions happening with this person. I think their head and mind is telling them different things. One part of them wants to work things out with you, come and cooperate with you. The other part is saying like, oh, give it some time. They are stuck on a decision. They don't know what to do. They can't leave you. They can't move on from you. Six of Cups, you are soulmates. They see you as this ultimate soulmate. So right now, if there has been an ending, this person is missing you, friends. They are thinking about what went wrong, why they were so scared to take action, why they were so scared to fix things, why you moved away, why they caused you such pain. They see you as a soulmate. They want to take things forward, but they are not sure whether you will like it or not, if you are ready or not. I also feel this could be a new person, as I told you, who is waiting for you to be ready for love so they can come and share a relationship or maybe love or friendship with you. This could also be your ex-husband and wife also, or a twin flame. What's happening in this person's life currently? Sharing. The Queen of Wands. Aries, Leo, Sag. So this person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, or our viewers could be. They see that you are very, very passionate. They see that you are very bold. You have your own passion. You also chose golden color. The leaf is gold, and you can see how much gold is there. Even her bangles are gold. It reminds me that you are gold to this person. They value you a lot. They see that you are very abundant, you are very creative, you are like a supernova. You can create a lot of things. And I also feel this person is you are on their mind currently. So that's why we asked about them, but your card came. They are thinking about you. What's happening currently? I also feel they are struggling with money issues. Or maybe a money situation has ended for them, or some college or something has ended and they are trying to work things out in their job situation, fighting. A lot of fight is going. They could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini also. I think there is a lot of fighting going on within their mind and soul. Their body says, their heart says, their passion is saying, go for it. And they are like, nope, let's come back. It's too risky. Let's come back. It's too... I don't know what to do. They are just trying to fool themselves here. They know what to do, but they are trying to, hey, let's not do that. Four of Wands, they want to marry you. Hey baby, I want to marry you. Yep. That's what they want to do, marry you. Marriage is on their mind. I also feel maybe their family, or they are trying to get married, or they are being forced married, or it could also be that they are married and that's the reason they are not able to come towards you, or our viewers are married, or you have kids, so they are just not able to come towards you right now. But they are thinking about marriage. How do they feel about our viewers? Wheel of Fortune, change. You are very lucky. You were like this, you were the luck that came in this person's life. You changed them. You changed them completely. I think this person and you I think this person is quite logical, or they were quite unhappy. I don't know what's the right word. They felt like life was not fun at all before you came, but when you came, you brought this passion in their life. You brought this abundance in their life, which was completely missing. Look at this. This was them. and this is you, and that's how they feel. You are this change. You changed everything in their life, and they never expected anything like that. I think this person is cold, not cold, but they are logical, rational. They see right and wrong. They were not finding any passion, any love, but any smile also. I don't see them smiling a lot. Also, they just like smile a little. They smile a little. Like they are the people that photographers, when they are clicking, they say, "Hey, cheese, say cheese. Hey, say cheese," because this person isn't smiling. So the photographer is like, "Hey, say cheese." So you are the positive change in their life. How do they feel about our viewers? They want to change things also. If you are in no contact, they want to come back and contact you. Past life, they have shared many past lives. This is an everlasting connection, ever expanding connection. They know that you are their better half. They know you are the soulmate. They also know that you are the twin flame. I also feel they have seen, or they have literally seen you in their dream in a past life, from a past life. So they know this person is very aware, I think. And maybe recently they have become very aware, or you are very aware of your past life connection with this person. Adventure, you brought adventure in their life, the sense of passion, the sense of ignition, the sense of, who life is fun, there is something to look forward. You brought a lot of things in their life. How do they feel about our viewers? Mind, I think they also feel that you are also led right now. I think they feel sorry because somehow they made you like themselves, and they are very upset about it. I think this person is crying because of that reason, that they have changed your passion and your happy energy into their own energy, into their own kind of energy, like sadness or logical. Now you have also become logical in some way, or rational in some way. So they feel bad that somehow they dimmed your spark, because you are this gold. They don't expect you to be gray. You are the diamond. They don't expect you to be graphite, right? These readings are going so detailed. I wasn't expecting them, but let's go as the flow goes. Comparison. Yeah, they they feel like they feel like, they can't offer you much in comparison to what you are. You are this beautiful person. You have everything. What can they offer you? Darkness. What can they offer you? Their logic. What can they offer you? They feel a little like they can't, they feel a little low self-esteem because they feel they can't offer you anything. It's not true, but that's how they feel. Let's see what's their intention towards you, towards our viewers. What's this person's intention? Angel of love. They want to love you. They want to take care of you. They want to protect you. I also feel this person loves your hair and loves your heart, and they know that they have somewhere dimmed your spark. So they want to come back and protect you, nurture you. And look at that financial constraint. I do feel this person is going, they feel they have some self-esteem issues. So they want to provide to you. If they are not very rich at the moment or financially very secure, they want to come back or make a move. They want to give, provide to you in every way. That's their intention. They don't want to be they don't want you to take any burden. Blossoming abundance. Yeah, they want to give you everything. If you are worried about work, money, life, they want to be there to be your provider, to be your supporter, to be your cheerleader. When you go on this sassy way, they want to be your cheerleader. Oh, sun. My God. Their intention for you is to shine. They want you to shine. They don't want you to dim your light. And I feel many of you are crying and you're very negative place right now, our viewers. So this is a very, this is a very beautiful reading. They want you to shine. They want you to not dim your light. They want you to go out and grab the world and be the best queen or the best king you can be, because that's how they see you. Whew. Wow. Let's see what's the possible future move from this person. The world. I do see that they want to take a move or make some changes in this connection. They are very positive that once this world changes, or once things are better financially or otherwise, they will be able to make a move towards you. Maybe you are in another continent or something, so they can't be with you, so they are waiting for things to shift so they can come towards you. And rest and rejuvenation, number 19. So I do feel that this, they will be making a move towards you, but it will take them some time. It's not going to happen right away. Their next move, Archangel Michael. They want to cut away the toxicity. They want to cut away all negative people from their life or their own negative patterns. And they also want to build a stronger friendship with you, so that they can have a stronger love relationship or provide and protect you. So I do feel they will be contacting your friends if you have common friends, or I do see that they will be trying to be a friend with you in the future, so that they can better provide and support you, not just as a lover but also as a friend. What's the advice for our viewers? Work through your fears. New moon in Scorpio. Maybe our viewers, some of you have lost somebody, or maybe you had been deeply hurt in love in the past, because you have the death here. And I feel it was our viewers' energy. I told you, you were coming out of a heartbreak, so this person is waiting for you to get out of it or to help you through it. Or they are waiting that when you are ready for a person or a friend, they would come in. I do feel, friends, that maybe some of you have been hurted a lot, maybe by the ending of this connection or some past connection. You have to work through your fears. A new romantic cycle begins for you. New moon in Libra. That's beautiful. So there will be a new start in this connection, and definitely it will be a new cycle for you. Something is shifting, big time shifting. So get ready and look at the crab. Again, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Let's see your love message. Soulmate. This is your soulmate. Look at that. This is your soulmate. Six of Cups. Beautiful. Very powerful connection. But the good thing is, it is a connection which is very grounded. It is not just a passionate connection. It is not just an emotional connection. It's a very grounded connection. What they want to say to you? Oops. And let's see. You trigger me and my past wounds. Yeah, I do feel maybe you are triggered, by this person or what happened in the past between you and them. I feel you are triggered and they know that. I need more time to think and process this. Sometimes I want to call you, but something is holding me back. Yeah, I do felt that. I think if you have common friends, they will try to get hold of them to try to reach out to you. I'm finding myself and the missing link. Maybe one day our paths will cross again. I fear losing myself or my control. I told you, this person has never smiled. But you came and this person smiled. They were totally a different being with you. So they are like, should I stay in this control or should I step out and be like you? That's the challenge. I'm not sure I can meet your expectations. And I think you saw them very differently. You saw this person just like you or even better than you. So they are like, what happened? You are like, what happened? How can you do this? I can feel your pain. Please smile for me. Yeah, they have made you like them. This person was logical. They were slightly dark. They were slightly pessimistic. Now you are the same. So they are sorry. They know that. Let us talk one more time and make things better. The songs are calling me and you. Wow, this is beautiful. I will always be there for you now and ahead. See, they want to protect you. They won't ever leave you. Expect a miracle soon. A new romantic cycle starts for you. So it's a beautiful reading, friends. Make sure to subscribe Magic Vans Tarot and join and comment below. And this will also ensure you win a free reading at the end of the month. And join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye.